Okay, folks, instructions for week 1. First thing I need you to do on the main page, watch the welcome video. Number 2 thing I need you to do is go into coursework. Here is where you will find your marching orders, okay? So this course will be divided by week. Week 1, chapter 1. We will cover about a chapter each week. All assignments will open on Monday and they will close or be due on Sunday at 11:55 p.m. Again, each week we open new assignments on Monday and they are due that Sunday at 11:55 p.m. So week 1, we're going to read chapter 1. Each week I will record a chapter talk, which is really lecture on the 3 key components that are most important out of every chapter. So you're going to watch this chapter talk and then you will take the quiz that pairs with it. Okay, I'm bouncing back to coursework here. So you'll read your chapter, watch the chapter talk, take a quiz, then you will have a spelling test each week. The master list lives right up here in spelling quizzes. Here's where you will find the list. When you open this link, you will see the actual quiz. Now, sometimes it will be selecting the correct spelling. Sometimes it will be using it in the appropriate context. Each list is worth 20 points. This week, you are going to record a video introduction using Panopto. You will launch the tool right here. I've also linked instructions if you have not used Panopto yet. You're going to record a video, okay, just you speaking, answering the following questions. I have recorded a sample video to guide you. Okay, other things in coursework. Last thing, we need to set up MindTap. Each week you will have one MindTap assignment. It is the Aplia assignment that pairs with the reading. Each Aplia assignment is worth 15 points. Now you will see in MindTap that you will be asked 18 questions. I give you 3 questions of grace, meaning I throw out 3. So you could miss 4 questions and still score an A on the assignment. I toss out 3 questions, okay? So you'll see 18 questions in MindTap and a 15-point score in MindTap. So here are your instructions for week 1, okay? Again, watch the welcome video, go into coursework. This is what you guide to. I will send out an email as well as post the instructions each week in the course shell. Please be in touch with any questions. Let's make it a great week.